Hello everyone, I'm Mastan Wali, founder of Maulik's Tech System, compliance automation architect. So today I will show you how we can automate compliance evidences collections for SOC 2, ISO 27001 and HIPAA directly from your cloud systems. So most companies prepare the audit manually, like screenshots, spreadsheets, last minute panic. So with this ShaAuditVault, we are eliminating all these kind of stress by making compliance continuous. So the main problem of this uh, auditing preparation today is reactive. So teams scrambles before audit, security evidence lives across AWS, Jira, ServiceNow, and more of your applications. So someone is manually downloading the logs, someone is pasting into Excel, someone is emailing consultants. So actually, this creates a human errors, incomplete evidence, no integrity proof, no central visibility. Most important, it's lost a enterprises deals, right? So coming to Audit Wallet is continuous compliance engine, which a concept of uh, it automatically fetch your log information, normalize it and hashing it and storing securely and mapping into your evidence. So finally, we automatically mapping events to compliance control, which are SOC 2, which we are covering CC6, CC7, CC8, ISO 27001, coverage of 8.8 to 8.32. Also, we're covering HIPAA coverages like a technical safeguard, administrative safeguards. So we don't need to manually hit. So application will automatically hit itself. So let's check a live demo so then you can understand what exactly the SHA audit will do. So, so I'm URL hinting. So basically in this SHA audit wallet, we have three different roles. What is tenant admin, compliance user, and auditor. So let's first log in with a tenant admin. So this is the dashboard. So it shows you the status of all compliances, flow, and what kind of integration with it. Everything it will shows you that here. And so coming to the audit logs, so it will shows you what audit, which audit you are facing. All will tells you here. So this is identity logs. So here currently I have configured Google Workspace and Okta. So this will update you here. And coming to evidence, so here tenant admin and compliance user can upload the evidences, but auditor can approve that. He can review and approve that. So that is what here what happened. So here we are covering these kind of points for SOC 2 and ISO HIPAA. So these points you can upload those evidences here. So same way email audit will come. So every time when what kind of updates are received, all will come here. So as I told you, there are three different users. One is a tenant admin, compliance user, and auditor. So here this SHA audit wallet is totally covering in these. tools AWS, GCP, Google Workspace, Okta, GitHub, Jira, GitLab, Bitbucket, Jenkins, ServiceNow, and application developer. So this will just developer can configure in the product, so it fits automatically our website. So let's see uh, how AWS we have to configure. So the details we need to be mentioned here for your AWS. The guide will be beside for every tool. The same way for the GCP, uh, same way for the Google Workspace, and so it will tell you user whatever the audit trials, those will be loaded here. Those audit information. The same way Okta has this audit information. The configuration details will tell you here. GitLab, actually here would happen AWS and GCP, Okta and Gogo's workspace are based on the scheduler. So within every 30 minutes, it will hit for the service. Restore all based on the webhook base. So here GitHub, Jira, GitLab, Bitbucket, Jenkins, and ServiceNow are configured on based on the GitHub. So that means if I go for example GitHub, if any commit or any push or any merge happen by your developer or team member, so that's the repository, the GitHub service automatically hits this service. So uh, let me show you auditor one, compliance one first. So this compliance user has same dashboard with the same uh, score. So it will also shows you the audit log, so he can understand what he's updating, what he's not updating, everything. So evidence is also will come. In the second one, he'll also get a report. That is, suppose I select a SOC 2, the load report. Those here it will shows you. So how many reports I added? SOC 2, I had a 59 records and one evidence I also uploaded. So this will here shows you. And 5.2, these are right. So this one archive data is a based on your retention day. After completing this retention day, the data entire audit logs information will archived and move to S3 bucket. So in future you can download whenever you require. So those CSV files will be you can download from here. So this is compliance user. The same way, if I go for the auditor, the same kind of a dashboard will appear, but here also same audit log will come, but evidence, he don't have any chances to upload, but he can review this. He can review this. So you want to see, he can check, he can download that, and he can open that. If he want to review there, here he can approve or reject and say any comment. He can add why the reason. If he rejected, he can add the rejected information and submit it. So the same way, you can upload and download those informations. Well, so coming to the integration verification, integrity verification, you can check hash shining verification if in case anything broken. Those information will come here. So one was broken. You can check the audit log. Totally 144 records were there. So within the 144, one is invalid. Okay. So you can download that report as a PDF here. So this report will tells you which one is supported, which one is not supported, everything. Uh, Coming to audit log. So here you can copy paste your tenant ID. That tenant ID is in the top navigation bar. So he can load and verify. So here he can check that within the 144 records, one record was mismatched, so that he can verify that where it is. Loop event, it has a issue. If in case he want to check chaining timeline, so just he select this chaining timeline and click on a load chain, so he can understand hashing information. The first record has genuine and the second record has a next loop the same way, but somewhere it was tampered. So this information here, it will updated by the system, right? So this is here he can check all the timelines also. The same way he can download all the reports, load reports, even he can download the PDF or CSV format, and he can also check and download that CSV reports for the upload. So let's, this is what the demo for this product. Let's come back to PDF, so PPT. So in SOC 2, we are covering, framework. We are covering all these with a ShaAudit wallet. So C 1.2 to CC 9.2. We're not completing all the versions are different versions we're using. So we are supporting 3.2 partially and 7.2. So rest are all, 1.2 also, but rest are all we are completely supporting for that. And for this version, so coming version, you can add those. So coming to this ISO 27001. So for this automated evidence also, we are supporting these with the identity, role integration, role chains, UTC basis scheduler, Jira Jenkins integration, integrations 8.32, 8.33, 8.25, sorry, 5.25 and 5.36. So we are supporting on this. And coming to HIPAA, so we are supporting these continuous monitoring for technical safeguard and administrative safeguard. So for the technical safeguard, we are same identity, cloud system logs, immutable audit, and role token tracking, HTTP webhooks are things. Coming to this administrative level, so continuous engagement scheduler, role, access tracking, evidence coding, everything is we're capturing. So unified compliance coverage view overall, actually, this three frameworks we are covering all these things. But here the thing was the main point. Actually, ShaAuditVault uh, supports SOC 2, ISO 27001, and HIPAA compliance by automating audit evidences, evidence collection, and continuous monitoring. Certification depends on the organizational implementation. We never claim any kind of a certification. So just we're storing information, we're providing a wallet, secure wallet. So what uh, integration we did for the V1, a developer API, ServiceNow, GitLab, GitHub, Jira, Jenkins, Bitbucket, AWS, GCP, Google Workspace, Okta. So the next version will be with the other more integrations. So every log has uh, hashed using hash chain methodology and preventing the tampering proof to preserve forensic integrity. So uh, before and after of ShaAuditVault, mainly the traditional tools which need a screenshot collections, static compliance checklist, manual control mapping, audit season panning, no tamper protection, expensive consultants, right? Here, using ShaAuditVault, automated evidence engine are providing. So continuously it's monitoring your application, auto mapped on frameworks, always audit ready. So whenever you want, you can download and you can audit itself. So hash chain integrity, so SaaS recurring model. So these are the main benefits with the SHA audit wallet. So coming to the target market, we are you know, for SaaS companies selling to enterprises, IT service fintech and health tech, MSP managing cloud infrastructure, companies who are preparing for SOC 2, Type 2, ISO 27001 certification or HIPAA audits. So coming to the pricing, so currently we're launching in India and USA. Indian price is at 25,000 INR per month with all integrations, multiple framework mapping, continuous evidence, API access, and email alerts. The same features for the US also. That might be 280 to $300 per month. So here, no per control pricing, no hidden audit fee, one platform, continuously comprehensive. So our goal is to make enterprises grade compliance affordable for mid and SMEs. So if you are preparing for SOC 2 ISO 27001 or HIPAA, or if you are a sales partner interested in scaling on high value SaaS product, it would be happy to connect with us. Actually, we don't help you to prepare for audit. We help you to stay audit ready every day. So, so these are my details. Please uh, feel free to contact me in case you need any kind of help or demos for the ShaAuditVault. Thank you.